Sexy Wizards. Day 88 is the day you stop being a student and start choosing your AI destiny. You've built a full web app, debugged like a pro. Now we show you the 10 real paths ahead. Coffee only on the last slide. This is your future.
Sophia's back and so excited. Today we give you the exact roadmap I wish I had at day 85.
From transformers to robotics, from $0 to $300,000 jobs, every path is open to you now.
Yo Wizards, Ethan here with the hottest next level code. You're ready for the big leagues.
Olivia reporting. I'll ask Anastasia the questions you're dying to know.
95% of people who start AI never deploy a single app. You just did. You are officially in the top 5%, and today we push you into the top 1%.
I was stuck in notebooks for a year. You did it in 88 days.
You have a portfolio piece better than most junior engineers.
Now let's make you unstoppable.
10 real paths, from research to startup to FANG, all open to you now.
I'll show you my path and where I'm going next.
No wrong choice, just different adventures. I'll give you the first code for each path.
Same team, new mission. We're with you all the way to day 365 and beyond.
I'm starting my own AI startup next month. You're invited.
Tomorrow, day 89, we build your portfolio that gets you hired.
And I'll keep dropping the hottest code.
Anastasia, let's conquer the world together.
The hottest field in 2025, fine-tune Llama, build RAG, create AI agents.
This is where the 300,000 plus jobs are.
We'll start with Llama 3 next week.
I'll show you how to run Llama 3.8b locally, today.
Object detection, segmentation, video, stable diffusion, and the visual future.
I just built a real-time pose estimator. You can too.
YOLOV10, SAM2, ControlNet, all coming.
I'll run YoLove 10 live on webcam.
The people who keep AI running 24/7, highest demand, least supply.
MLOps engineers earn more than most ML researchers.
MLflow, Kubeflow, monitoring, we'll cover all.
I'll show you MLflow tracking live.
You have everything needed to start your own AI startup, today.
I'm launching mine next month using exactly what we built.
From idea to MVP to funding, we'll walk you through it.
I'll show you how to add payments to your Day 85 app.
Want to publish at Neuripes? We'll get you there.
I just got my first paper accepted. You're next.
Reproduce soda, then improve it.
I'll show you how to train your own transformer from scratch.
Control real robots with AI, the most exciting frontier.
I just got a Boston Dynamics spot to follow me using YOLO.
ROS 2 plus reinforcement learning equals future.
I'll run a simulated robot arm live with your Day 85 vision model.
Use AI to solve climate change, healthcare, poverty, the most meaningful path.
I'm building flood prediction for developing countries. You can too.
UN, Red Cross, who all hiring AI talent.
I'll show satellite disaster detection live.
Run AI on $5 microcontrollers, no cloud, no internet.
I put a model on an Arduino. It detects gestures in real time.
Tiny ML market exploding, billions of devices.
I'll deploy your Day 85 model to a Raspberry Pi live.
You understand both code and business. Become the bridge companies desperately need.
I just signed a $300,000 consulting deal. No PhD required.
Highest paid non-technical AI role.
I'll show you how to write an AI product spec.
Contribute to Hugging Face, PyTorch, LangChain. Become famous in the community.
My PR got merged into Transformers. 10K stars overnight.
Best way to get hired by top companies.
I'll submit a real PR live during this video.
Path number 1 starts now. Here's Llama 3.8b running locally in 5 lines.
It's 2025 and this is trivial. You can do it today.
Free, uncensored, yours forever. I'm typing it live. Watch it answer anything.
Path number 2. YOLOV 10 on your webcam, 2025's fastest detector.
Ethan, I detect my cat in 8 milliseconds. Insane.
70 plus FPS on laptop GPU. Webcam on, detecting everything live.
Path number 3. MLflow tracks every experiment, never lose a run again.
I compare 50 hyperparams in 1 click. Industry standard for MLOps.
I'll log your day 85 training live.
Path number 4. Add Stripe payments to your Day 85 app in 10 minutes, start earning.
I made $127 in the first week. From free app to business in 1 afternoon.
I'll add the Stripe button live. Anastasia, let's get rich together.
Path number 8. Your model on a $5 microcontroller, no internet, 1 milliampere power.
I made a gesture-controlled light, magic. Billions of devices waiting for your AI.
I'll flash your model to Arduino Live.
Path number 5. Research starts now. We train a real transformer from scratch on Shakespeare.
I trained one last week. It writes poetry better than me. Only 500 lines of code. You own the model completely.
I'm typing it live. 10 epochs, and it already sounds Shakespearean.
Path number 6. Robotics. Your Day 85 image model now controls a real robot in simulation.
My robot follows my cat. It's alive. ROS 2 plus Docker equals industry standard.
I'll connect your model to ROS Live. Watch the robot move.
Path number 7. AI for good. Detect flooded areas from space in seconds.
I'm helping the Red Cross with this exact model. UN and NGOs are desperate for this skill.
I'll run inference on a new satellite image live.
Path number 9. Here's how to turn your Day 85 app into a $10,000 per month product.
I use this exact template for my startup deck. Product thinking, coding sometimes.
I'll write the pricing tiers live. Free, pro, enterprise. Anastasia, make me the product manager.
Path number 10. Open source. Contribute 1 line and become famous overnight.
My first PR got 5K stars, life-changing. Top contributors get hired instantly.
I'm opening a real PR right now. Watch it merge.
Whatever path you commented, we'll build a custom series just for you.
LLM voters get Llama 3 fine-tuning next week.
Top 3 paths become full 30-day boot camps.
I'm already writing the first lesson.
Junior LLM Engineer 180K, Senior MLOps 3 to 80K, Startup Founder Unlimited.
I went from $0 to $250,000 in 18 months. You can too.
Remote roles everywhere. Location doesn't matter.
Your Day 85 app beats 95% of candidates already.
Start posting your Day 85 app today. Recruiters will find you.
I got hired because of 1 tweet showing my project.
Personal brand resume in 2025.
I'll show you my exact posting template.
You're now part of the fastest growing AI community on Earth, 150,000 plus wizards and counting.
I found my co-founder, mentor, and best friends here.
Daily videos continue. We never stop.
Join Discord. Link in description.
Tomorrow, Day 89, we build the portfolio that gets you hired, then 30 days of your chosen path, non-stop.
I'm already preparing the Llama 3 series.
Every single day, new lessons, new projects.
The best is yet to come.
Your exact 100-day plan to master any path you choose.
I followed this, now I'm living my dream.
Daily content continues. We're with you forever.
Every tool, every code, every week.
Junior AI roles 120K, 180K, senior 250K, 400K plus, founders unlimited.
I got 3 offers in 1 week after my portfolio.
Demand has never been higher.
Your Day 85 app beats 90% of candidates.
Comment below, which path do you choose? LLM Engineer, Startup Founder, Vision Pro?
I want to see 1,000 comments by tomorrow.
We'll build dedicated content for the top 3 paths.
I'll start the code for the winner tonight.
You're part of the largest AI learning community in the world. We grow together.
I found my co-founder in the comments.
Discord, GitHub, daily lives, we're always here.
Join the Discord. Link in description.
You did it. From day 1 to day 88, you are now a real AI engineer. Support us. https://buymeacoffee.com, DailyAIWizard. Tomorrow, day 89, we build the portfolio that gets you hired.
Incredibly proud! Your future is unlimited! See you tomorrow!
The world needs your AI, darlings. Let's conquer it together on day 89.